We're live. First off, we want to start off by saying thank you, sharing gratitude for all of you guys that show up. When you share, you like, you comment, subscribe, all those fun things, we really appreciate it. Also by saying that obviously this is not investment advice, nor should it be confused as such. This is strictly for education, information, and entertainment purposes only. With that in mind, we would like to talk today about the recent dive that just happened in not just Bitcoin, but the entire market cap. So everything was going along fine this morning, smoothly, and then almost like clockwork, almost every token dropped around 15 to 20%, some less than that depending on the tokens that you were looking at. Now what's interesting here is that there was some correlation in news, which was that Binance had just been hacked. Well, that wasn't actually technically the case. There are a large group of users who were using Binance who also had APIs attached to the account using trading bots that just liquidated for a token called VEI. Now the problem is here though, if you look, and then you see the daily volume for Binance alone through the market. Now Binance itself has had 1,943,000,000 move through it in general, but Bitcoin alone only 490 million. Binance doesn't actually move that much volume for Bitcoin. It actually only moved around $490 million. Well, that's a lot of money. It's not a lot for the digital asset space. So if you also check out CoinMarketCap and just Bitcoin in general, here currently see Bitcoin at $9,800 and the total market cap at 166 billion. And then the daily volume at 8 billion. This is for Bitcoin entirely. $8 billion in daily movement in Bitcoin in total. So that 490 million is really a drop in the bucket comparison, and that was what Binance alone. Well, the things that we were talking about a few months ago is that big money is moving in and they're starting to play in the waters. It's kind of like, as a friend of mine, a dear friend of mine put it, as King Kong kind of enters the ecosystem, wants to play, he's going to try and shake all the monkeys off the tree. And that's basically what happens. They're trying to shake out all the weak hands. But what's interesting to note is that it happens in a very coordinated way. So this is a good thing. This is again proving the anti-fragility of Bitcoin, which I guess means it's not fragile. In these moments, we learn what Bitcoin can take, none of which have phased Bitcoin. This global ecosystem is growing very, very strong. And this just, again, will prove that resiliency in the programming itself. If they can't shake us out now, and these are the market movements that they give us, it's really only just a ride that you have to hold on for, and it's pretty easy to do so. I'm invested in Bitcoin and blockchain not because of the money. I'm invested because I believe that the disruption taking place can be very, very useful for those of us that like decentralization of power, whether it's through business, governance, infrastructure, banks. So that's where I'm invested into. I'll hold on for the whole ride. Again, keeping in mind, as we said already, this is not investment advice. I'm going to be accumulating more and being excited about the future. So this is Tio with the Arcane Bear. I just want to let you know, have yourselves a lovely day, and thank you for subscribing. We'll see you guys on the other side.